Gallery Evo LT to fixed frame screen black crystal. Assembly tutorial. All components. Step 1. Inner frame assembly. Inner frame assembly components. Join all the inner frames. Dock the two inner horizontal frames with splicing connectors. Then secure them with M5 to 10 screws. Dock the corner frames with corner connectors. Then secure them with M5 to 10 screws. Attach the vertical support rod with M4 screws. Inner frame assembly completed. Step 2. Fabric attachment. Fabric attachment components. Please place a protective cloth on the floor and wear gloves throughout the installation. Unroll the fabric on padding cloth. Insert each fiberglass pole into the fabric. Fit each tie rod into the fabric. Make sure fiberglass are threaded through round rod slots. Evenly place the tension nuts into slots of tension rod. Lift the inner frame horizontally and place it on the fabric, centering it. Place the flat washer and spring on the M4 to 60 screw. Insert it through the inner frame hole. Flip the tension rod and adjust the position of the tension nuts to align with the screw. Slightly tighten to 2-3 turns. Ensure even tension, then fully secure. Fabric attachment completed. Step 3. Outer frame assembly. Outer frame assembly components. Tighten all outer frames onto the inner frame slots. Fix the M4 screws on the inner frames. Loosely tighten them initially before confirm everything is correctly installed. Check all the seams and screw holes, then give everything one last tighten. Screen assembly completed. Performance showcase.
Nest mounds keep chicks clear of the brine while they're still at their most vulnerable.
Top screen for standard. Throw projectors with exceptional contrast and black levels.
Our coasts are vulnerable places. Increasingly so as rising global temperatures create bigger storms.